Hey Pearls, welcome to another episode of What We Eat on the Cheap. It's been a really full, fun summer day. We're home now and we need something quick, easy, delicious, and of course, cheap. So I'm gonna share with you guys today our really easy, delicious, cheap recipe for Cesar pasta salad. Don't forget that you guys can always check out all of the links down in the description box. There for any of our What We Eat on the Cheap recipes. I will always have a blog post with a printable recipe for you guys. And then also don't forget that you can always pin any of the recipes to save them for easy access later to your Pinterest account. Okay, let me show you what goes into this. It's so easy, it's gonna take like 5 seconds. Maybe a little longer, but you get the idea. First thing I had to do is I got our pasta boiling. You just need half a package, so that would be 8 ounces of pasta. The great thing about this recipe is that it's super, there's lots of options for substituting. So you could just use whatever type of pasta you have available. I've even used spaghetti noodles before. Then I just pulled out some already pre-cooked grilled chicken. You could also use rotisserie chicken or just whatever meat you have laying around left over in your fridge. Some lettuce, I used romaine. You can use whatever you have on hand. Some shredded Parmesan, but also the like grated Parmesan where it's like really powdery. That works too. Use croutons, you could sub that out if you don't like it. Whatever type of Caesar dressing you love. I got this on sale, stacked, and I bought a rebate on top of it. Got it for $1. Our family doesn't like tomatoes. You could put in tomatoes, but we always sub out tomatoes for chopped red bell pepper. You could add green bell pepper, cucumbers, whatever veggies your family loves, it'll taste good in here. Pasta that we're using and the croutons. So yeah, the very first thing you have to do is just get that pasta boiling, and then pretty much it's just down to mixing. This recipe would be a really good one for on the go. The only thing I would do different is I'd mix everything ahead of time except for the dressing, pack the dressing up on the side in a little Tupperware, throw it in a cooler, and it'd be really good to take with you guys anywhere. You guys ready to see how easy this is? We have our cooked pasta, dump that in your bowl. Just put a teeny tiny bit of oil. You could use whatever oil you have on hand, olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you cook with. Just about a tablespoon or less. But if you need exact measurements, click the link down below for the recipe. This is a really good recipe for just putting in what you have, like I said, which makes it perfect for a leftover recipe, using what you have on hand, which is gonna help you save money on your dinner. Then I'm gonna add in about 3 cups of lettuce, 1 cup of shredded chicken, half a bell pepper, 1 cup of Parmesan, and then 1 cup of croutons. Mix this all together. Now, do you guys see what a huge giant bowl this makes? And it's nice because it's like a 1-pot meal. So if you're packing this up for on the go, really easy to carry and pack up. At this point, what you could do is you could add the dressing to this if you think your family's gonna eat the entire bowl right now. If not, just add the dressing per portion. So everyone scoops up their own bowl and then add the dressing per bowl. I'm thinking that this recipe to feed the entire family, fill everybody's tummies up. We have a family of 5. This recipe is gonna cost you about $4 or less. So there you guys have it. That is one of our favorite what to eat on the cheap meals. If you guys want the recipe, don't forget to grab it from the links in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!